Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Shiba Inu on your crypto.com mobile app step by step. First step being that you open up crypto.com. Once crypto.com has opened up, you simply click on this buy icon right here. Once you've clicked on it, you search for the cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing, which is Shiba Inu. As you can see, Shiba Inu, I do not possess any Shiba Inu on my wallet. So first things first, you use this toggle arrows right here and input the amount of USD you'd like to purchase your Shiba Inu for. Let's say we want to buy Shiba for $10. That's approximately 894,400 Shiba. So you can either choose to pay through cash or crypto. So if you have a crypto asset like I do, which is the USD coin, we could make use of that, or we could make use of this cash payment, which is in turn clicking on add payment method. Once you've clicked on an add payment method, you could either pay through your fiat wallet, which contains your euro tokens, or you could pay through your credit or debit card. In order to do this, you enter your card number, enter the expiry date, the CVV, your first name and your last name, and you click on add card, and then you'd be debited, or the money will be taken from there and your Shiba would appear on your wallet. In turn, you could also use crypto, enter the amount of USDC or any cryptocurrency you possess, enter the amount. Let's say we want to buy Shiba for $1. Okay, let's go with that. You click on buy 89,600 sheep. Click on this. You're taken to the confirmation section. We're getting 1 Shiba for 1 USDC. You click on confirm. You have 6 seconds to get it done. So you input your passcode quickly. And boom, we've purchased 90,000 sheep for approximately 1 USDC. And then you move to the account section, you reload, and boom, under your crypto wallet, you can see that we have a Shiba worth $1. Here it is. And it came in today through conversion. That's from USDC to Shiba, 90,000 worth of Shiba. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy Shiba Inu on your crypto.com mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.